Hey everybody, so in this one we're going to do some pretty awesome stuff. So you're going to learn how to do dual timelines, and what that really means is picture and picture or picture in picture, being one picture floats on top of the other, or you have them side by side or one on top of the other. Basically how you do that is you select the clip that you want to put on top of the other one. So I'm going to move this on top of the first clip. So as you can see right now, since this one is on top of this one, it's just going to be the one that you see for the moment until we edit this. So right now we have our top one selected, and as you've seen, this magic new button is going to appear. So if you don't have picture on top of picture, that menu is not available. But since we have two videos competing or doing something, iMovie wants to know what we're supposed to do with those. So I've never really used these two. We'll skip the advanced ones, but split screen and picture in picture are fun to use. So first, if you want to have your pictures, videos, whatever, on top of each other at the same time, you can literally change the opacity so that if you wanted to have them both play at the same time on top of each other, you can totally do that. Let's see how crazy this looks. Oh, it's thinking. All right, well, it's a little glitchy, but you can see my point. All right. So we'll go back here and we will reset this. And then of course a fade. You can do a fade in, fade out on top of each other. If you don't change the opacity though, then the fade doesn't really mean anything because it's just sitting on top of this video and you're never going to see it. So as we talked about, split screen is the picture and picture, being two pictures next to each other. And then the position, since we have this one selected, we are looking at this one right here, and it's on the left, versus you can move it to the right or put it on the top or put it on the bottom, which of course then by extension manipulates this one to go into the opposite place. So that makes it easy to pick. And then slide is looking at where in the picture, because it's going to focus in the center, but where in the picture you're sliding, you're changing the rotation, right? So as you can see, we will play this side by side. That video is, of course, me going backwards, and that one's of me going forwards. It's actually kind of a crazy video. All right. And then lastly, if you want to do picture in picture, that means that one of the videos is just inside of the other video. And just depending on how you set this up, you can dissolve it, zoom. So there's different ways that you can have it enter into the other video, and of course how long it takes to do that, borders and shadow. You can do all kinds of stuff to accent this picture and move it around, of course. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and reset that, put that back for the next video, and I'll see you on the next one.